What up guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you 5 coins you can buy in this month of August that will go parabolic within the next 6 months. Number 5 on my list is set to do over 5,000% from its launch date. Guys, if this video gets 1,000 likes within 5 days of its published date, then next month September I'll also share with you the crypto tokens you can buy in September for very high returns. I only share this with my private group, which is for now an invite only group. But if this video gets to 1,000 likes in 5 days, then I'll also do one for September. So click on the thumbs up button, subscribe and share, and pin the bell icon down. And let's get to the video. Before I proceed, this video is not financial advice. What I share with you is my crypto journey and what I do that works for me. So please conduct your own research before making any investments. The tokens I will share with you from my analysis is expected to outperform the broader crypto market within the next 6 months. One of the major criteria for the tokens I've selected is the amount of revenue generated by tokens projects, which will work to drive up the price of the token. I will give you the name of the token, the basic fundamentals of the price growth, and the best place to buy it at the best price. I will leave all the links in the description box. It is safer to use the links there in the description box. The first token on my list is Optimism's token, OP. Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of Ethereum's mainnet and helps scale Ethereum's ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. Optimism is one of the biggest scaling solutions for Ethereum in total value log. It is home to 35 protocols, the biggest being Synthetix, a derivative exchange, Uniswap, a DEX, and Velodrome, an automatic market maker. On 31st of May 2022, Optimism conducted a highly anticipated airdrop of its OP tokens. The airdrop was so popular that it briefly slowed down the Optimism blockchain. The TVL in Optimism has grown from $293 million to $943 million in the past month alone. That is over 220%, generating $664,000 in network revenue during this time. The OP token is being used as an incentive to drive broader use of its ecosystem and soon will be used as a decentralized sequencer to capture miners' extractable value. With this, we expect OP tokens price to rise above the broader market in the coming months. You can buy OP from Binance, OKX, or the Optimism network. The second one is a Rocket Pool's token. Rocket Pool is a decentralized Ethereum staking pool offering up to 4.9% APR for Ethereum's 2.0 staking. Users can join the staking pool with as low as 0.01 ETH or run their own node on the Rocket Pool with only 16 ETH instead of the standard 32 ETH. Because Rocket Pool provides the other 16 ETH from other persons staking in the pool. Stakers on Rocket Pool enjoys liquid staking, which means that they benefit from increasing exchange rates. The RLP, which is a Rocket Pool token, is used for 2 major things for now on Rocket Pool. One is node operation. Node operators use it to provide additional security. This is where the slashing takes place if there happens to be one. And 2 is governance. After the Ethereum merge, staking yield on Ethereum are going to increase and a lot more persons will want to start staking their ETH. Rocket Pool is one of the major places where they will go to because of the decentralized nature of its staking services and other benefits. Coinbase, Lido, and Kraken holds 54.6% of all liquid staking deposits, while Rocket Pool holds only 4.5%. Considering its benefits and decentralization encouraged within the Ethereum ecosystem, Rocket Pool share is expected to increase significantly after the merge, leading to more RPL token collateral required, which will positively impact the price of the token. RPL can be bought on Uniswap. When I was talking about Optimism, I said that one of the biggest protocol on Optimism is Synthetix. Synthetix makes it possible for anyone to trade derivatives on the blockchain. Derivatives are contracts whose value is derived from the performance of an underlying asset like gold, oil, corn, and so on. So, the way you trade futures, swaps, and options on centralized exchanges or brokers, Synthetix makes it possible for you to do that in a decentralized way. Synthetix generated $8.6 million in revenue last month for the Synthetix SNX token stakers, mainly due to the increasing adoption of the atomic swap features in the protocol. It has a total value lock of $222.4 million, which is the second largest on the Optimism network, second only to Aves $563 million in total value lock. Two things will help to ensure the price increase of the SNX token in the coming months. This includes the increasing adoption and liquidity inflow into layer 2 networks like Optimism and their dApps. Two is that growth in revenue received in stablecoin for SNX stakers will incentivize more persons to stake SNX. You can buy SNX from Binance and OKX. You get 2% APY when you stake SNX on Binance and up to 12% APY when you stake it on OKX. You can also buy it directly from Uniswap and stake it on the Syntetix.io platform. The world will have Synthetix built on a layer 2 network called Optimism. GMX is a decentralized spot and perpetual exchange built on a layer 2 network called Arbitrum. Last month, GMX generated $1.5 million in revenue from trading fees. This was all paid out in Ethereum to those who staked the GMX token. GMX has chosen to be the top protocol by TVL on the Arbitrum network with a TVL of $250 million, while the second is Radiant at $103 million in TVL. Reasons why GMX token will go parabolic in the coming months include: 1. The continuous increase in the revenue earned by stakers in Ethereum will drive more demand for the GMX token. 2 is that Arbitrum Nitro upgrade that is slated to take place in August 31st will increase the capacity and also lower the fee on the Arbitrum network, which will directly lead to growth in liquidity inflow, revenue, and usage of the GMX platform as the top DeFi app on Arbitrum. You can buy GMX on Bybit and Uniswap. You earn up to 28% APR when you stake GMX. Number 5, which is the coin I said will do over 5,000%, is, I know you guys are wondering why I'm changing colors in this video. I want to make it interesting for you, and I hope you're enjoying it. Now, for the last color, which is for the last token on this list, we have Satoshi Island token, STC. This token is not even launched yet, but it's set to launch this month. This is a token that will run the economy of the new blockchain capital of the world in Vanuatu. You will spend STC on Satoshi Island for everything the way you spend Naira in Nigeria and US dollar in USA. Satoshi Island is just mapped out but not yet developed. A lot of trades in billions of dollars in STC are going to be traded to get this island developed. This will tremendously impact the price of STC. I have done a well-detailed video on Satoshi Island. Go and watch that video. You are going to be amazed. STC is going to be launched through the Tencent Launchpad, the #1 launchpad by its tokens market cap. If you look at the all-time high of the previous TGLP projects, we have KNG at 1,800%, Hero at 16,800%, Dome at 9,400%, and the last one, Fame, at 30,000%. STC is next. It is not launched yet, but you can buy it through the pre-sale, which starts on the 8th and 10th of August. We'll get to know where you can buy STC after the launch in the coming week. Guys, we have come to the end. Now there are 2 more coins for this month, but I will stop here. I'll stop with the 5. If you want me to release a September edition within 5 days into September, then get this video to at least 1,000 likes within 5 days. You can do this by liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and having the bell icon pinned. My name is Jude Umeano. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.